Straight up there hanging over the water. We've got several eagles that are frequenting this place and nesting out here. We got a lot of buzzards and chicken hawks too, but they turned quite a few of the eagles loose out here. Oh, there's a stump I never knew was there. Yeah, I do believe that's an eagle. Get out my phone and see if I can get a little video of it. You would know the wind would completely turn me around the second I turned my phone on. It's right up there in that tree. Man, come on, wind. Give me a break for just a minute. I wonder if it's nesting up there. Well, anyways, I'm about to get blowed way off course. I'm about to start paddling. Anyways. There she is. Right there. It's a bald eagle too. Dirty, but bald-headed. Huh. Anyways. I'm gonna paddle back to the second cove and then paddle into that very back cove straight back there, and then I'll run down that side over there and let the wind just kind of drift me along, which will be a quick trip. The winds are blowing anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour right now. Really need to get a motorized kayak. It would just be nice to throw a trolling motor on there, but here in Missouri, if you put a trolling motor on this freaking kayak, you have to register it as a boat. And in Missouri, we have to register trailers, boats, and motors. Motors are a one-time registration. Trailers are, well, I got a lifetime on mine, but you got to pay extra for that. And then I believe the boat is a 3 or 4 year licensing fee, but that is crazy. The amount of revenue they freaking get off of boats alone and everything is just astronomical if you think about it. I mean, why on earth you charge people in a kayak, a little plastic kayak, one-man kayak, a fee to be able to go out and paddle around on lakes and rivers? Plumb crazy. Now I can see a boat having to have a title and a trailer, because, you know, trailers transfer and boats do too, sometimes with and sometimes without. But the motors, that really gets me on that too. You got a little bitty 3-horse outboard motor, you got to go title it and license, or title it and sticker it, which is the license. It's like nuts. Yeah, it's a one-time deal, but half the time you get a motor or something. I buy used stuff all the time, so I might end up getting a motor and it blow up on me, and then I'd have to turn around and get another motor, relicense it, and then if that one blew up on me, you know, and it's just a constant scenario. And hell, boat motors don't last that long anyway. I mean, not if they're used and abused on the rivers. The rivers are really dirty, and the sand really causes a lot of havoc on a boat engine. I've caught a lot of really nice fish out of here. I've caught, I think, 2 crappie out of here on accident. There's a lot of crappie out of here, though, and a lot of people come out here to crappie fish. I come out here to bass fish and to channel cat. I have caught 1 channel cat, and that was on a bass lure over there towards the boat ramp. Other than that, I have yet to catch any channel cat out of here. I don't know what the deal is. Bait, time I'm out here, I don't know, something. But anyway, no luck here. River, I catch channel cat all day long at the river on anything. Worms, liver, you name it, stink bait. There's a tree down right there in front of me. It's floated out there and it's lodged. Been there for a little bit. Them guys was crappie fishing over it last time I was out here, and they were catching quite a few crappie right around it. Well, gotta get the paddle, and I'm already going backwards. Got some ducks, turtles, and everything else going on up here. Most of the ducks already swim off. There's a few of them back here in this back cove, though, I can see. Right over there, a whole bunch of turtles on that tree. Right over there's the ducks. We're going where the ducks are at, 'cause that's where I fish, but I don't want to disturb them too bad. Kind of like watching them paddle around out here with me. I'm not too sure about mushroom hunting out here. I've never had any luck. I've mushroom hunted out here a few times, but I really haven't had any luck mushroom hunting out here, but I hear of a lot of people getting a lot of them out of here, but I think it's a little later in the year whenever not much. We're talking later in the year for mushroom is like 2 weeks. early morels, some little grays. They usually pop a little before now. I usually find them first 2 weeks of this month. And usually about this time the blondes will be coming in, big yellow ones. But here lately, it's kind of all been coming in together. I think it's because the last few years, we have not had much of a spring. It's like, boom, we go from winter to summer. That's the second time this year